Sometimes people expect a harvest that they haven't even sown anything. Life is an investment. The fruit of your labor depends upon the amount of hard work you put in. Minsan akala mo ikaw pa yung lugi. Minsan akala mo ikaw pa yung kinawawa ng Diyos. Gayong kahit na kailan ay hindi mo siya binigyan ng karapatan sa iyong buhay. Don't expect to be loved by others if you haven't given love at all. You never loved even the wonderful God who has given you everything. You keep on wishing for peace, pero yung mga choices mo sa buhay ay malayo sa kapayapaang hinahangad mo. This life is winnerless. God has given us wisdom. Gamitin natin. God has given us a gift of discernment to know what is right or wrong. You will really be a loser if you would choose to go on your way without God's provision. Kapag hindi na nagiging maayos ang mga bagay sa buhay mo, kapag nagkakaroon na ng mga red flags, stop. Acknowledge that those red flags are danger zones warning from God to save you. Pray and allow God to take over. Gentle reminder, when you think that you already have given your all and still wasn't good enough, don't let that moment define your worth. Trust God and keep doing what you think pleases the Lord. God doesn't demand anything from us. He has everything. All you need is to trust Him with all your heart. Have a blessed and a wonderful day. God bless you.